Hello everybody, it is day one of the festival. Ben is already out and about because he's actually shooting for Pony, who I absolutely love. She is one of the most talented makeup artists and she's based in Korea, and he's working with her this weekend, and so, you know, I'm doing solo dolo things. This morning, Ben and I got all the pictures taken. Annoyingly, I forgot my freaking tripod. I literally always forget something. But we finished our outfits and now there's gonna be some sort of event happening at the pool. I believe it's a live chat.
To be honest.
At Raisa Girona.
Don't, yeah, my DM, I can't even check the DM.
We are heading out to Coachella now. Freaking pumped. Iris is looking at the lineup.
Today, I'm excited to see LMA, Boot Up, and Childish Gambino. It's my first Coachella, so I'm so excited. I cannot wait.
It's really exciting to go with people who have gone for the first time because it makes you see Coachella through their eyes. I'm excited to see Jaws. DJ
Jaws
Snake.
is playing?
Yeah, Jaws is playing at 3:40.
Oh, wow.
I'm excited to see Diplo, DJ Snake. I'm getting like my freaking EDM fix. For the evening, we have Division.
Ooh, I can't wait for that one.
So good.
Oh.
I went to his first debut tour, by the way.
Oh, really?
And obviously, we've got my other boo, Anderson .Paak. Don't tell.
Oh, he's playing
He's
too?
playing, yeah, I know.
I love his song Trippy with J. Cole. I mean, J. Cole is freaking fire.
Oh my god,
but
fire.
With Anderson .Paak for Trippy, that's my favorite song.
It's such a good
I
song.
hope he plays that song.
Maybe J. Cole will come out. Got the whole squad here.
Did it.
We made it. It was a little bit of an ordeal to find parking, but that's literally always the case. First stop, lemonade, of course.
So good.
Looks incredible. Thank
Let me,
you.
babe. Let me do you good.
For dinner, I suppose, we have a delicious salmon bowl. This is a good local spot in Silver Lake. That's right over here. There's a lot of spots in Silver Lake that are here at Coachella. We've got Friedman's, we've got Sweetfin.
이거 맛있어.
그렇지.
이거 처음 먹어봐.
Pokeball.
Poke? This is so good.
So now we're gonna head to the Ferris wheel. We're gonna take our epic Coachella picture shot. It's iconic. And we got the great light. It's sunset.
Perfect moment.
It is.
Yeah.
Happy Coachella! Got our tequila sodas. We're gonna head out to see Anderson .Paak, my other man. Just kidding, cut that out. What's up, guys? It is day 2 of the festival. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit delicate today, but the first day was so incredible. We had a full day at the festival. I got to see everybody, for the most part, that I wanted to see. Blackpink was amazing.
I knew they were big, but I didn't know they were that big. Like, the amount of people that were there in the Sahara tent was crazy.
Right? The beats are super infectious, well produced, and their choreography was tight. Today, we are heading to the Revolve Festival. I mean, we got these cute little stickers. Pony had some extra, and so now I'm just crying stars. Right now, Ben is quickly shooting for Pony, and then we're gonna head on over to Revolve Festival. Isn't it crazy that there's 2 festivals this weekend? Look who I found! Hello! Coachella! Acai bowls. Yum. How does it taste? You like it?
I want to take pictures, but I'm like, then it'll melt.
Exactly, exactly. Got Riley.
I've literally already cleared like half of mine.
Oh damn! I like how you're so like
Oh, no.
neat with it.
I'm like eating it so organized.
I love it. Just saw SZA. She was incredible. She played The Weeknd, which is one of my favorite songs. And I met Reunion. Hey guys, we found each other. Yes. Do you guys know how I know Andrea? Well, I'm glad you were wondering because we went to high school together. I've known her since freshman year.
Since we were like little teeny babies.
Yeah, when she transferred from La Puente High School to our high school, Los Altos.
Wait, I met you guys the night I met
That's true. Jungle party, jungle warehouse party in LA.
Yes.
18, just excited. Do you remember there was a Jaguar?
Yeah, I was
there?
19. There was a Jaguar.
Jolie
was
DJing. Yes, it was the whole crew here. Yes. It's the last day of the festival and I'm feeling good. I did this lovely blue hair look. I've got some blue eyeshadow. Definitely gonna do a get ready with me soon. But I wasn't able to do it today because the hotel is a little dark. We're in a little bit of a rush, but we're here. So freaking pumped to do both festivals today. Coachella, baby!
Coachella, baby!
I brought a big jacket because I know it's hot right now, but it's gonna get cold.
You'll be
it
happy.
Always does.
In about 2 hours.
In 2 hours, maybe 3.
3 hours.
We'll
You'll
see.
be fuming for 3 hours, happy in 3 hours.
Delayed gratification.
Yep.
So today we're playing for cash. Fast money.
The best thing in River May. Update, we are sitting outside the Sahara tent waiting for YG. Ben is currently, Ben is currently meeting with Pony and then she's gonna meet us here and then we're gonna party.
Gravy run the game, young Steve Harvey. Hey. Gravy come through, finesse the thotties out your party. Hey. Yeah, I run the game, young Steve Harvey. Gravy might take you on a bad bitch safari. Gravy run the game, young Steve Harvey. Hey. Pull up on your bitch in my leather on my Harley. Yeah, I run the game, young Steve Harvey. Gravy stole your bitch, I didn't mean it and I'm sorry. I think I might go start my own game show. Something like Jerry Springer, but we making up. And you can also get slime. Get a question wrong, it'll happen every time. Hey, I just gotta pull the leg.
Hello guys, welcome to weekend 2 of Coachella. We just arrived to our house in Rancho Mirage. There are 15 of us in this house and I wish, I don't know, I think this would be like a really good reality series if there was like a camera recording, not on our record, but I'm really excited. We've got this pool behind us. I'm so excited to dip in a couple hours. I believe we are making dinner tonight. We're having salmon and yeah, tonight is just all about settling in, getting situated and mingling. It's gonna be so fun. Hi guys, happy Coachella! Yes, the ladies getting their shots done.
Yes.
Wow, Whaley, you're looking like a freaking mermaid here. Ooh, where is she? Is that the backyard? Yo, this spot is sick. Whaley, you still have the product on your face. It's just that one spot's just gonna be exfoliated and toned. Wow, got dinner. What's in there?
It will be a surprise.
Wow, eggs! Good morning, everyone. Today is the first day of the festival. I just finished filming this lovely makeup tutorial. I am editing it right now because it is due on Tuesday. So I just basically want to get all my stuff done before I head out to the festival. With me, if I've got something like a task or something I have to do, it just looms over my head until I do it. So I'd rather just crack on so that way I can fully be so I can fully be present. What's up, baby? We're rallying up everybody. We're heading to the festival. We're about to roll out. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out. Yes, this is the blue path. This is the most effective path, I must say. And it's right next to Sahara's head. Oh, we just finished Jaws, who was phenomenal. Last time I saw Jaws was at Outside Lands, maybe 2.5 years ago, maybe 3. And yo, he did not disappoint. He lit up the Sahara stage, playing all the freaking tunes just in the right amount of time. We all were freaking lit. It's a perfect introduction to the first day of Coachella. This is our dinner for the evening. We've got some curly fries. I think that's sauerkraut.
Andy, I ate 2 of these.
Beer.
All I ate was our carbs around here.
Exactly. You guys, it's literally like a potluck. I had a bite up with empanadas. I had a bite up with tacos.
So you're not just in front of the camera, behind too.
Kitchen is open. Thank you all. What do we got?
Venezuelan sancocho. That's what it's called. It's like the best hangover soup.
Oh my god. You guys, I've been eating good this weekend. Not even gonna lie. 잘 먹겠습니다. Whaley is currently getting her massage right now.
She's missing out on this.
I know.
Getting ready with the girls.
Exactly.
Or one of the when I'm alone doing it, it's kind of dreadful. But you always do it so fast.
I do.
Jenn's the first one ready.
Always.
I don't know how she has it in her.
Who's back from her massage? How do you feel?
It was so good.
Oh god, I almost lost my phone yesterday, you guys.
I fucking know.
I know. I was wearing like these really tight denim shorts and I had my phone in my pocket, and as I was peeing in the restaurant, I was like, oh well, I'm just gonna put my phone right on the toilet seat cover thing. And I peed and I did my thing, I rushed out, and immediately I'm like, oh my god, my phone! And I literally sprinted. I freaking booked it, and Whaley was right behind me. It was so sweet. And I get to the restroom and someone's like, is this anyone's phone? And I'm like, it's mine!
That was so epic. I'm so happy you found that.
Their heart. Bless their freaking hearts, man. Next up on the menu, we've got shrimp garlic pasta. Cooked by Chi. Thank you. This looks amazing. Yes! Rowdy. Alright guys, it is day 2 of the festival. We have just parked. We're waiting for the other car because they got situated in a different lot. So we're just staying right here, waiting for them like the good friends we are. Honestly, at a festival, you gotta be very communicative, you gotta be patient. Like once the whole group gets together, that's when it's a true celebration. Because it's not a good feeling when you're just like, where is everybody? So, doing our due diligence, staying right here. We have found everybody. We're heading to the Yuma tent.
We are. That's like an inside tent, that crazy lights, good vibes. And we're going to meet our friends now.
A high BPM.
Very high BPM.
Exactly.
Look.
It's a Coachella miracle! It's a Coachella miracle! up, guys? I'm just inserting this clip to close out this double weekend of Coachella. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, my voice is still pretty fried after the weekends. We had just such an amazing time, and I'm so glad I got to experience both weekends. Honestly, probably would do this again next year. I enjoyed it. I never felt rushed. I felt like I could enjoy everything and take my time. But if I had to choose just one weekend to go to, it would definitely be weekend 2. It's a lot less crowded. People seem to be having more fun. I think it's because there's less crowds. And yeah, they just got some more space, and it's just generally a chiller vibe. So that's my 2 cents on that. Either way, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah. Go down.